What are assets under management? Asset under management's AUM is the entire market value of the investments that an individual or a firm manages for the clients. The definitions and formula vary by organization. While calculating AUM, some financial institutions include mutual funds, bank deposits, as well as cash. Others limited to funds under some discretionary management where the investors assign the authority to the organizations to trade. Today's video shows you what the asset under management are, how it is crucial, and how to calculate them. So, let's now start with the video without any further ado. AUM, the asset under management, is how much money a financial institutions and hedge fund manages for their clients. The AUM is the sum of the market value of the investments managed by a family or funds, brokerage company, a venture capital firm, or the individual registered as a portfolio manager or investment advisor. It is also used to indicate the amount and size. The AUM can be segregated in various ways. It can also be referred to as the total amount of assets managed for the clients, or it can be referred to as the total assets managed for a particular client. The AUM includes the capital that the manager can use to make transactions for all clients. For example, suppose you being an investor has $50,000 invested in a mutual fund. The funds will be part of the entire AUM known as the pool of funds. The fund manager can sell or buy the shares following the objective of the fund's investment using the invested funds without attaining any other permissions. Calculating the assets under management. There are some methods to calculate AUM and it varies among firms. The AUM depends on the flow of investor money in and out of a special fund, and as a result, it can fluctuate. Also, the capital appreciation, asset performance, as well as reinvested dividends with the increase of AUM as a fund. Also, the firm AUM can increase when new consumers and assets are acquired. Factors causing the decrease in AUM include fund closures, investment performance losses, decrement in investor flow. AUM can be limited to the invested investor capital across the products and include capital owned by investment organizations' executives. Why does the AUM matter? The firm management will monitor the asset under management related to the investor product flows and investment strategy to determine the organization's strength. Investment organizations also use AUM as a marketing tool to captivate new investors. It can also help investors indicate the company's size, operations, etc. as per the competitors. AUM can also be crucial considerations to calculate the fees, and various investment products charge management fees. That is, the fixed percentage of AUM. Also, various money managers and financial advisors charge client a percentage of the total AUM. As a result, the percentage decreases with the increase in AUM, and the financial professionals can attract high-wealth investors. So, this is all about what are the assets under management. Let us know your views in the comments below. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more uploads like this. Until the next video.